Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a really quick 5-minute video for those on the go, out the door ladies. I picked a few products that I feel like they could be multi-purpose, and I'll start with this Bareminerals Complexion Rescue because it's kind of like a face cream, but it has SPF in it as well. And it actually goes really well with dry skin. So when you don't have time to apply lotion or moisturizer or whatever it is that you need to do in the morning, this one is really nice. So I didn't put anything underneath. I'm just applying it directly onto bare skin. So this is a routine that if I were in a rush, I would do this and then be out the door and not worried about looking not put together or ready for the day. You'd look professional and cleaned up and polished. I went with the Nars under eye brightener just to give me a little bit of more of an awake look. This part might take, I'd say probably the longest just because it's a potted product. If anything, I would maybe prefer a stick concealer, which I don't have a stick concealer. I'd like to get one eventually. So just a little bit of something to brighten up. For powder, I would definitely go with a coverage powder such as this. This is a powder foundation, so I would definitely go in with something with more coverage just so your products don't move around, so that you set them down and you give yourself a little bit more coverage for during the day. So I'm just kind of going over everything, and then if you need to use a bigger brush, I'm just setting the whole thing because I'm not going to be really going in with any more cream products. I feel like cream products take a lot longer to blend out, so I'm sticking to powders today. This is the blush that I'm going with today because it has a little bit more of that brownie nude look. Then it can serve as a bronzer and a blush. I love this Cosmetics Heaven's Glow blush in Baroque. This is such a beautiful nude neutral color. When I just want to go out quickly, this one has just enough pink in there to do what I want it to. Gives me a little bit of life and dimension, and I don't go in with a highlight. To do my brows, I'm gonna go with a brow gel just to brush through the brows and kind of keep them there, but not like focus too much. If you are more of a brow girl and you want more definition than just this, then I would probably pick one of your favorite pencils. I do love pencils for brows as well. And even powders might not be a bad idea, except that you have to pull out brushes, and then, you know, that all takes seconds more of time. For eyeshadow, I just picked a one and done shadow. I'm just gonna go with one that I feel like will flatter not only my face, but this look. And this is the Solstice eyeshadow by Decay. And it's just this beautiful, gives a dimension to the face, but it's a little bit more cooler toned. There's like blue and purple sparkles in there. This is definitely my favorite, I'd say, between this and Space Cowboy. So I'm just gonna try to apply it as quickly as possible and blend it out as seamlessly as possible, just so it looks actually doable and wearable. And then if you need more definition than that for your eyes, I picked a brown eyeliner because I usually, for for the most part, I won't skip this step for myself, but if you guys don't care that much about eye definition, then you can leave this part out and be out the door even faster. But I do like a little bit more of a definition for the eyes. Just like that. And a brown liner is a little bit more natural and fuss-free. That's why I kind of went with the brown. Just a little bit of something, and it really does wonders. And then I will go in with the mascara. This is the Clinique one. Looks really natural, but it's also buildable. It's just perfect for this kind of look, the on the go, but put together. For lips, I'm gonna go in with a lip liner first and then a product on top. This is the Brown Fig. You can keep it like this with just gloss on top, but I usually, to have it more long lasting, I'll put a lipstick over first and then a gloss. So this is the Lisa Eldridge in Kitten Mischief. I love this color for just an everyday, just such a beautiful combo. And then if you love a glossy lip and you just can't live without it, just go over with one of your favorite nude glosses, pinks, whatever your favorite is, just to kind of complete the look. This is pretty much it. You can set it if you want, or you can just go as is, but it's really quick and you're ready to go. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please have a wonderful day, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and the videos. I appreciate all of your views and all of your support, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.